Good afternoon, everyone. I wrap up the season with warmth and positivity. This is part 2 of season 4, our Myth Breakers. Next week, we have another guest for this season who will be sharing her story. Till then, I would like to say that each guest instilled a fresh perspective of what life is all about. Living in the moment, reaching out to others, doing what is best for the moment, and understanding the true meaning of life. Moving ahead with our lists of guests, we had Mrs. Rashmi Verma, a passionate teacher, loved by all. She fought cancer and now extending her help to others who are diagnosed with cancer. Her motto that there are no obstacles in life which cannot be surmounted if you have the will. And this is indeed inspirational. Miss Tanya Balsara, our next guest, she is visually impaired herself, is a visionary leader, training and equipping others, spreading awareness is her mission. She strongly believes that disabled individuals don't do different things. Rather, they do things differently, is thought evoking. Moving ahead, our next guest, Mr. Raghavinder Satish Perry, also known as Ragha, is a blind digital strategist from Hyderabad. He believes that this moment is the ultimate truth. Past and future are two beautiful realities. He feels that balancing and pursuing one's passion is possible if you set your mind to it. You can achieve it. The never to give up attitude is amazing. As we listen ahead, Mr. Sitanshu Kumar, who was affected by muscular dystrophy, is from Lucknow, and his mission to create awareness by this mission only capabilities, which is in progress, is really worth listening. His motto, capabilities will be challenged, and that is the beauty of life, is motivational. Listening to each guest and learning from them is worth our time. Please share the links as much as possible, as sharing is caring. As I always say, somewhere someone may benefit listening to them. In those dark moments when life seems tough, such inspirational stories acts as a ray of hope. So together we need to lit the path as we move ahead in life. Accepting each other the way they are, let's be more humane. Let us pledge to keep humanity first as our priority. On that powerful note, I end this episode. Next week, another guest and much more to learn. If you know anyone who would like to share their story in my podcast, Just Talk Therapy, please send a message on hinabeketherapist@gmail.com, or you can even WhatsApp me on my number +91 98197 55078. I repeat, +91 98197 55078. The more we share, the more we will come to know how people are really coping in their own situation. We need to learn from each other. So, till then, you listen to this and keep sharing. Thanks a lot. See you in my next episode. Take care and be safe. Bye.